Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2021 Southwest Drought Virtual Forum. My name is Karina Barr, and I will be providing technical support during this session today. And before we get started, I'd like to go over a few items so you know how to participate in today's virtual event. Let's take a quick look at the GoToWebinar control panel that's in your browser. You have joined the presentation listening through your computer speaker system. Your default speaker is automatically selected, but you can click the settings icon and choose another speaker device. Next, click on the question icon to submit questions and comments. We will be addressing them during each segment. And if you have any technical difficulties, you can type them here as well, and I will be happy to assist you. During each presentation, we will provide you with hyperlinks to any speaker materials. These links will appear in your questions box. And please know that for this 4-day forum, today's session is the only day being recorded. And finally, we encourage you to close any tabs in your browser except the GoToWebinar one. And if you have any trouble viewing the session, you can refresh your browser to update it. I would now like to introduce your moderator for the forum, Viva De Heza, NIDIS Executive Director. Welcome, Viva.
Thanks, Karina, and welcome everyone to the forum. My name again is Viva De Heza, and I am the Executive Director of NOAA's National Integrated Drought Information System program, otherwise known as NIDIS. For those of you who are somewhat unfamiliar with NIDIS, NIDIS was established by Congress in 2006 by public law and was reauthorized twice with strong bipartisan support in 2014 and 2019. NIDIS's mission is to improve the nation's capacity to proactively manage drought-related risks by providing those affected with the best available information and resources to assess the potential for drought and to better prepare for, mitigate, and respond to the effects of drought. I would like to thank everyone who worked to put this forum together, including a fantastic planning committee who helped shape and scope this event with us. You can find their names along with much more about this forum on the forum's website, www.southwestdroughtforum.com, which is also provided to you in the chat box. If you would like to join the conversation throughout the forum, we are on Twitter using the hashtag Southwest Drought Forum, and that is also in the chat box for you as well. The goals of this forum are first to bring people together to discuss long-term drought issues in the Southwest. Over the next 4 days, we will be confronting head-on some of the issues related to this drought. We will look at current conditions and to understand the evolving drought risks in the Southwest. We will ask if more opportunities exist. When it comes to prolonged drought, what are the current efforts and outstanding needs? We will focus on future thinking, decision-making in the face of a new paradigm. We will talk about addressing growing challenges and interconnectedness of drought, wildfires, and other hazards, and develop a shared vision for moving forward together in a changing environment. With that,